from West Khasi Hills, East J&K Hills, and East Acton. If you have any questions for the Chief Minister, there are some microphones, I'm sure, in the hall. It will be passed to you. You can raise your hands and you can directly have any question or address or have any kind of speech to make, and the CM will interact with you. So kindly raise your hands should you be having any questions to the Chief Minister. Any of our beneficiaries, any of our PG?
And just to add, now one that you should look at this as a great opportunity to speak to the Chief Minister and the ministers directly. So I would encourage you to take this chance and please ask. There is no right or wrong question. There is no bad or good question. If there is something you would like to understand, and more importantly, if there's some suggestion you have, this is a very good opportunity to share, because whatever we are doing it for you. If we are not doing it correct, then you have to tell us that, sir, please change this because this is not correct and do it in this manner. So that is where your feedback is very important. Number two, input in any language you are comfortable. You can ask in Khasi, you can ask in Panar, you can ask in Garo. I'm sure there is somebody who will help me translate and the question that somebody may have. So please feel free. As I said, you will not spend too much time. This is time spent. And also our friends who have joined us from the districts. This also is for you also. I have only selected 3 districts from the 3 regions, 1 district from each region because of. But if there is any specific person anywhere in the different blocks, it's wonderful. I think for the first time we're having a program like this, where people from all the blocks from all over the state have joined us today. So this is a great opportunity. I thank all of you who are there in the blocks. We can take up more questions there also, but before we go to the blocks and the friends who have joined us online, I once again open up the floor for our friends here in this hall to ask some questions. Yeah, I think they're the back. Okay. Or you wanted to ask? Give it to me. Okay, you both can ask. Okay. You can ask in Khasi also, in whatever you're comfortable.
Kaji ngai betah kaji pijak pangjawaban keren kan bo jadi dikeli harga jamet university ai kubro sim start kan from to me Dr. Ampari de an kawai jadi dikeli ko kuat kalau nabalem jadi ko ka sulap lang pidi yang kecenong lain boleh sulap lang. How we take the focus is quite bad to take it. Para membar kedui di dalam sebelum kucing aktif. Nama boleh mal kita konstruksi daklan di kedai di kamdai nama berdiam dah kedua terekam yang bersoka yang berfokus kedai dakaram kemihak dan sepak hati.
I think I'll say it in English and then you can just translate it once in Khasi. I'll reply. Thank you so much. Can you tell us your name?
Bertemu dengan baik bersama kurang ada Mbak Sutri juga Nablang Piji juga Emre bersama.
Thank you so much. Just so that everybody understands, his question is that there is a fear among the beneficiaries that this amount that is being given by the government is a loan, and that this loan will have to be after some time by the members of the PG group. I have clarified this in the past also, and I'm clarifying it again, that this particular amount is not a loan. This 5,000 rupees that we are giving through Focus, other programs have other systems, but the Focus scheme is not a loan scheme. Focus is grant which we give to our producer groups, and you do not have to repay it back. I want to make it very clear. So please don't have any doubts. There are people who will try to make things complicated and confuse our farmers. For whatever reason, they don't understand. When good is being done, they should support, but in turn they're trying to confuse our people. So therefore, please don't believe that. This is not a loan, and this is a grant and a subsidy. We pay back the Focus amount. Okay.
The ship kami kajing penting ba jonga kum umentri kle tam jong kani kajela ba ladadon kum kata na kan ba kasorkan kam don jingya dei itu bante ya phi bante kam ya phi bayo bentan na kani makin siu biang yang kata kum karam. Toshim kita ne kum kaji kucha. Ya kan kaladadon kalenti kaboben kabashai limba kagran kabakiyo bakam don kano kajing shisha. Hoon iong CM. Don giba persyang menpensutu okla. Doma pik no susong. Shania yang kasorkar lajok. Waksha ia kene kajing persyang banteng klumar jeng betepi bahkan penduk pensemepi bahkan pen arketin ya kasorkar jompi kene kasorkar jompi shim tenai sispa persen garanti bakam don kum kata keketin kabapiyok sengau hayawahan.
For our friends in Garo Hills, I'll also like to just explain this so that this question doesn't come up again. Garo Hills ni tentang blok kamu ni dalam singko ya programo join kat tempat belakang ni kat Sar Pinggang dan siapa sini peninsula blok ni penting saksa ingat sih fokus pada loan ma Maina bakma mandiraman haida makam si kude ya skim kutsara Jawa aru bakura Jawa ani sabarang de sansinga maina bakma mandiraman loan ini sansinga uniga mana haya chukra riktar aru na semasa pantina mabiat maskinga Anjini Focus program ni scheme de loan upja Focus program de grant aru subsidy sa ia tangkap pesanan pun semang cupna nang Jawa, aru ada government as a subsidy or as a grant, semang na kasai, semang ni kamrang na, semang ni group ni kamrang na, senga ia tangkap pesanan pun senga oninga man sabar payment, semang na ia kata aku akan berdoa, ini benar semang kasai aku beberak nabe, dalam ia programo lah blok ni. Tentang constituency, tentang district kamu ni memberang kalau online join ka, unik mana namin kusyo ka, haida dapat program ko, kamapat samna, antini megalesti jo dapat program ko dapat skelo, antin umatinga, unik mana ka, nasima ko magtela, aro antini repeng ko ba, jian dalo show ya question ko, ngatin, biko ba ka tentang macam ya chol ko raya magtela ska. Anybody else? The last one, yeah.
Sir.
Okay, already.
Sir, Paramburam, the Dr. Brin, the Minister, ki Baro, ki Paranora, Kivanan Port, Port, I could play, if he. Nakalian Chong ang di, tem kadai urisan king Haruli ngadon haka morong kenang blocks masyong asorong kam senam nagaliang conga ayang hone como presiden jong ka PG kabar ayah keten dia kata group dia ka oliu PG kadang ngabdan ni ay banong ngadan kaway kapag ay play ya ka sorga kepala penjo yangi ya kadika fon nakabata cungi kumki nongrap kapag ayo cingkeku sibun abangi dan kapor kabangi nuna bantit sumba so abangi bi ay kadika cingarap sengi nongrap kumta ni ayo man pendenkam bantit sumbai bantit subo kumta kalau lo kacing yarap yang ini dengan baju ni Islam kita panggil ladap nanti ladap berform yang guru kalau Islam arah cara buat pertusan dari penai menungkong kumta guru cungi kaya cekmat bagi petelun yang rakam apa dan kacing rap cungi ikut yang sosal kumta ni pemi yang sosal pat kadon kapor ba kari kapor mariang kalian shop no pat ini dulu pat kumta ngiyay persyang mandrap inom tan pat na halor jong kajing yarap jong pi kum kasorka ngakan turu nang ne syakma ba nagadiang ji kum kibarat kum kasorka penang ay ya kajing yarap si kum kinongra na kay saw papani saw pat kiway kimarap kumta nang la pan penmi yo kimarap pan la pan sa kiway pat kiba tuna banyo di cimbang nabang cerap cungi kibarang po cong kacelang sifat soe kuplek sebukun ta nakapa di kum kasorka barang rahmat cungi kum kinora ay nangayay kintiu susu yak singarap ini kum kinora kuplek sibuk
Thank you so much. The objective of the